Hi guys, welcome back to Hello Sparkles. My name is Ashley and I have an unboxing video for you guys today. My very awesome husband bought me some Riot figurines. If you don't know what Riot is, it is for League of Legends. This game that I have here in the background, or the pictures I have in the background, are from League of Legends, and I really love the Star Guardian series. And so yeah, a whole series of them came on sale recently of figurines. I've kind of already opened it and kind of peeked in there just a little bit, but I'm very excited to open it and share with you guys what I got. Ooh, thank you for your order, Bubbles. Kids will love to pop. Now I've got the item in here. I'm gonna wait just a second because I've got a card they sent me and a little note, and I'm gonna read that. And it's really cute. And the back of it says, let me see, I'll just zoom in on there for a second. Sorry, my hand is shaking. And it says, thank you for your support and we hope you enjoy your purchase. Your order is certified to be salt-free. Timo and Yashu products exempted. Follow us on Facebook, blah blah blah. But I thought that was pretty cute. So here's the card I got in it. And it is a Mumu. And a Mumu is this little mummy character. He cries, he's an emo kid. Thanks for being our friend from Riot Merch. Oh, that's cute. I like that. Okay, so here is the thing. I thought they'd come individually wrapped. They're all in one. Right down there. Look at that. Oh. Isn't it pretty? Lulu. Jana. They're backwards in my camera, so I can't read them. Lux. Jinx. And Poppy. So these are the first series of Guardians that they released, the Star Guardian series, and they're called Team Minis. They're really cute. So I'm sorry I'm kind of going through this fast. My camera's gonna die, so if it does die and it changes, it's because I had to switch to my phone. So I have my scissors here. I'm gonna cut this open. Let me take a picture for my husband first. So I took my picture for my husband now. Now let me open it gently with my scissors here, not to cut up myself or the box because I don't want to do that. Oh, they're so tiny. I don't know why I thought they would be bigger. Even though it was a box, I just thought the figure itself would be a little bit bigger. Look at that. Ooh, so cool. It's like a card in there. I've never purchased anything from Riot before, so it's like a clamshell. Oh, there's tape. More tape. More freaking tape. Now I got rid of more tape. Alright, so I wanna... Why is this so hard? Oh, because there's another piece of tape. Alright, let's see what this card is. Card of Authenticity. I cannot read today, like, at all. We certify that the authenticity of this item as official games merchandise. To verify, please visit. I'm using all that stuff, which I won't show you. Ooh, oh, they're so smooth. Got a little Poppy. Got a little Star Guardian hammer there. Makes me want to play Poppy. I don't play Poppy at all. I don't even think I own Poppy. I might own her. I don't know. Jinx. And she's got her little guns there in the back. So cute. Can't remember what the name of her little animals are for her guns. Wish I remember. I'll probably link it down or list it down below if I remember or if I find it. And then Lux, my favorite character. This is who I play and why I have my special name on Riot, which I'm not going to release here yet until I start putting up videos, maybe. I don't know. I probably won't even put it up then. She's so freaking adorable. And there's Jana. I play her as well. I also have this skin. I have all the skins except for Jinx, which my husband has. And because I'm typically the support. And then here's Lulu. I love her little staff wand or whatever we call it, that staff. It reminds me of, is it Jupiter, I think, from the Sailor Moon series? I think it's Jupiter. I can't remember. It's been a while since I've watched it. But yeah, they're all there. They're so cute. But oh, so what I was saying is, so I have Lulu, Lux, and Janna of the skins I actually own on the game, but I don't have Poppy or Jinx. I don't really play them. I'm a support character, or I play support or I play mid, so those are the ones I tend to go towards skin-wise. If I buy a skin, that's who I generally play, is support or mid. I don't play top, and I definitely don't jungle. I don't know how, I don't understand it. I'm stupid that way. I don't know why I'm explaining this to you people, because you probably don't even know. But yeah, so this is pretty cool. I'm very, very excited to share this with you guys. Thank you for joining me for my unboxing, my very first unboxing for League of Legends stuff. I hope there's more. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and want to see more like it. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Leave a comment down below which one is your favorite character. Follow me on Instagram at hello.sparkles. And yeah, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye!